Here I've got Nokia 5.1 and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first, let's open the phone dialer, and now you enter the first code, which is *##246 ###. And now we are in Google Play Services, where you can check ping, connect, disconnect, and also events or status. So you can check very advanced information here. This code is truly useful, so just remember 246 and then you'll be able to come along with all those informations. Then let's go to the calendar, and the code is *##225 *##. And now we are in calendar.info, so here you'll notice all the events, holidays, and all alerts that you have in your Google Calendar, so you'll have everything in one place. It will help you to remember about every little event. So let me go back, and now let's enter pretty short code, just 5 digits long one, so it's *##06#, and this one will provide you with serial number for your Nokia 6.1. So simply enter *##06#, and then you will be provided with serial number. And the last code is *##4636 *##. And now we are in testing mode, so at first let's check phone information. Here you can take a look at your email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, and all the others. You can also run a ping test here. Simply click on Run Ping Test, and here you will see the solution. So let me go back. And now let's go to usage statistics, and here you can come along with the detailed information about your applications and their usage time. So let's go back, and finally we've got Wi-Fi information, where you can check Wi-Fi APA, so all the disable network, disconnect network, enable network, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. Secondly, Wi-Fi configuration, so you can check there all configured networks. And the last is Wi-Fi status, so you can refresh your status and see what your current Wi-Fi status is. And you can also run a ping test here. Simply click on Run Ping Test, and here, as you can see, it passed. So basically that's all. These are all the codes for your device, for your Nokia 5.1. Use them, enjoy them. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.